Sexual Assault Awareness Month begins tomorrow, and we want to highlight what appears to be a major problem in Flagstaff. NAZ Today's Quannah Arnold is live with more.
April is Sexual Assault Awareness and Prevention Month. Maria OTLO with Victim Witness Services and her colleagues work with rape victims every day, and she believes NAU is not doing enough to combat what she calls rape culture.
Where we have a very large, prominent college campus where rape culture is very prevalent. It's so Sexual Assault Awareness Month is not just about sexual assault and rape. It's about the victims. It's about the survivors.
In Flagstaff, the rate of on-campus sexual assaults are more common than those off-campus. Nationally, 1 in 5 female students are likely to be victims of sexual assault, and 1 in 16 male students will be raped in college. But NAU Police Sergeant Joe TRITSOHLER says there is a decline in the number of reported assaults over the past 3 years, although they're not sure why.
We would like to believe that there is also a culture shift where there is less instances of this taking place. Obviously, we look at our campus population, and over the last couple of years, our incoming classes have been slightly smaller.
In 2020, after the COVID pandemic sent students home, the university saw a significant decrease in the number of students living in residence halls, which TRITSOHLER says could affect the numbers.
Sexual assault is one of those crimes that we know is drastically underreported. We don't know if the instances are not being reported or we're kind of at the same level of report.
As more cases of sexual assault are seen nationwide, the program director of NACASA, a local rape resource center, says Sexual Assault Awareness Month is about recognizing that survivors are everywhere.
We've come out of the Me Too movement. I think our community, individuals and groups of people are starting to recognize the pervasiveness of sexual assault, right? Like, every single woman knows somebody who's been sexually assaulted, right? 1 in 5 women, 1 in 5 college women are sexually assaulted while in college.
Fulton says NACASA is working hard to dispel the myths around sexual assault.
The actual dangers of sexual assault are not walking in parking lots at night, are not walking across college campuses. We've portrayed this stranger danger myth, and we don't want it to happen to us.
The need for education around sexual violence and rape has increased, and Sexual Assault Awareness Month is designed to do just that.
It's not just about rape. It's not just about sexual violence. It's about so many more encompassing things. It's about culture. It's about society, right? It really is a frame of mind. There's so much that goes into sexual assault and sexual violence, right? It starts with, getting consent, not getting consent. There's grooming involved.
In years past, NAU has held several events throughout the month to show support and highlight resources available to students. But this year, there is just one event on the calendar so far. We were unable to get a comment from the university as to whether the pandemic is to blame. Quannah Arnold, NAZ Today.